Hello guys, this is my mind map about my first construct, that is behaviorism. Okay, I started writing here science because science is the beginning of all the story, and it helps to understand what is behaviorism and how it was discovered. All the authors started in this field doing scientific experiments. They worked with different animals, with rats, dogs, and chimpanzees, and finally they discovered some similarities that humans and animals have, like that with certain stimulus we can change our behavior. And okay, in this part I wrote psychology and education because those fields will change a little bit with the behaviorism, because behaviorism helps them to understand in a better way the humans and their behavior. And psychology and education now can modify and increase a positive behaviors. Also I divide my mind map in two parts. First, behaviorism and no-behaviorism. However, it has some things in common that are conditional reflex, that is about conditioned and unconditioned stimulus and responses from people or animals, and biology. However, behaviorism authors focus on the systems, in digestive system, muscular system, and how those systems affect our behavior and our lives. In now behaviorism, they started worked from molecular parts from individuals, and in each part I choose two authors. In behaviorism, I have Ivan Pavlov. Ivan Pavlov is the father of behaviorism. He started worrying about unconditional stimulus, responses, neutral stimulus and responses, and he did experiments with dogs to understand in a better way this field. I have also Frederick Skinner. He talks about positive and negative reinforcement, about punishment and how it affects our lives, and how we can use them to decrease a negative behavior and increase the positive ones. Also, he wrote a book about verbal behavior. In this part, they talk about how we can teach the verbal behavior to influence in a positive way to children and people. And also he talks about techniques to use to teach verbal behavior. And finally he wrote about individual behavior and group behavior, and how the things that we do affect the society. In the no-behaviorism, I chose Edward Tolman and Clark Hall. In Edward Tolman explain the purposes of behavior and explain what is behavior for him, and he helps to understand in a better way this concept. He also wrote about personality and emotions and the differences and the difference of them and how we can change. Clark Hall, as a Frederick Skinner, talks about reinforcement, but he categorizes in a different way. He categorizes in a primary and secondary. And also he talks about internal and external environment and the relation between subject and the context around this person. And okay guys, this is all about my first construct.